This bridge is a Canadian national northern Strauss Trunnion Bascule Bridge, and it's a railroad Bascule Bridge, and it crosses the Red River in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and you notice that there's no cement on the counterweight because it's removed. And then you see right over here on the bascule span, all you see is wheels and you know and everything, wheels and pulleys, because the is removed for us to operating machinery. So, and also, you know, it is still in use for train traffic. So it's in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada.